Good morning, Sweros. This is Sharada teaching you exercise problems in locus. Fourth question in first section. Let me read the question. Find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Here, to find the equation of locus, so the first step is let Pxy be any point on the locus. What is geometrical condition given here? That point is equidistant from the coordinate axis. That is, distance from P to x-axis is, and that of the distance to y-axis is, here P to x-axis is y and P to y-axis is x here in it. So P to x-axis is y and that of the distance to y-axis is x. Distance to x-axis is y, to y-axis is x. I have explained you by taking diagram in the previous video that taking a coordinate plane and a point which is taken as P in it, if suppose it is P and this point P is with the distance from x-axis is y units and this point is with the distance from y-axis is x units. So this is taken here. Next, so condition is what? They are equidistant means these distances are same. That is x is equal to y. Taking square both the sides. X square is equal to y square. Afterwards you get this equation which is the required equation of locus here. And coming to fifth problem. Find the equation of locus of a point equidistant from A to 0 and the y-axis. Here also equation of locus is required. So the first step is let Pxy be any point on the locus. Geometric condition is that point is equidistant from A and the y-axis. So distance from P to y-axis is taken as Pb is equal to x, like this. If suppose you take it as B here in it, if it is P, so distance between these 2 points from P to B, that is Pb. So this distance is taken as x in it. So here also same procedure, like that we get Pb which is equal to x, and also given Pa, distance from this point to A, that is Pa, and distance from this point to y-axis is Pb. So these are equidistant means they are equal in distance. So squaring on both the sides we get it. And afterwards there is distance between formula is applied here, xy and 2 0, x1 y1, x2 y2. Applying formula, LHS is this, and coming to RHS, PB is x now, it will become x square. And after expansion we get these 3 terms, and in LHS RHS we get same term, that is cancelled. Remaining terms are taken and there we get an equation which is our required equation. That is equation of locus is y square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 here. And next one is sixth problem. Find the equation of the locus of a point P, the square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times its y coordinate. Here also equation of local is required. So first step is let P be the point on the locus which is Pxy. And geometrical condition, in mathematical sentence it is given, we have to write it in an equation form. Okay, let us see how. Its distance means the distance from P to origin. So distance from the origin. Distance from the origin means OP. Because origin is O, point is P. So distance between these two is OP. This is 4 times of y coordinate means for 4y. 4 into y. That is OP square because square is given in the problem. The square of distance means OP square. OP square is equal to 4 times means 4 into y coordinate means 4y. So OP square formula is applied. That is P is our xy, no? So origin is 0, 0. So we get x square plus y square here and this is 4y. And RHS part is coming into LHS so that we get an equation which is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of locus, which is x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Coming to 7th problem in the section. Find the equation of locus of a point P such that PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square, where A, B, these points are given as A0 minus A0 and 0 is less than mod A is less than mod C. Okay, here also equation of locus is required. So first step is let Pxy be any point on the locus. And next geometrical condition. What is condition? Given condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square. And here P is xy, A is given as A0, B is given as minus A0. Apply the formula so that you get PA square as x minus A whole square plus y square plus PB square is as x plus A whole square plus y square is equal to 2C square. Expand, you get all these terms, 3 terms plus y square. Here also expand and plus y square term is equal to 2C square. Here 2ax is cancelled with opposite symbols and in the next term like terms are added here. 2x square, 2y square, 2a square is taken to RHS, it will become minus 2a square. 2 is common in both LHS and RHS and it is cancelled. So required equation of locus is what now? That is x square plus y square is equal to c square minus a square. This is about 7th problem. Children, I hope you understood these solutions. Thank you.